Kentucky girl in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king. A Kentucky girl in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello, all my friends. This is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Taking time out of your precious day to see what I have to show you. So today I'm going to show you some more of my budget-friendly stash videos. Well, stash diamond paintings. We're doing a stash video. These are paintings that I haven't shown you before. I had before I started my channel. So we're just kind of working our way through all of those. So I guess we just might as well get started, and I appreciate you being here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Let's see what I have to show you. I think the majority of these, I think all these might be 30 by 40s. I'm not sure. But let's look and see. Oh, this is a 30 by 30. It's a 30 by 30, so maybe they're 30 by 30s. I'm not sure. And I'm really not sure where I got these. These came from mostly Temu, but some of them came from other budget-friendly companies as well. So let's get her straightened out. And I think all these will be round drill. She's so cute. So this is a girl in a teacup. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a fairy. We'll look and see. Nope, I don't see any fairy wings. I don't see fairy wings, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? Hopefully there's not too much of a glare. This is from the window over there. I don't have the light on. So she has 17 colors, and the symbols are all uppercase letters in alpha order. So let's come down and have a look at the drill field. It is clear. I believe her eyes are going to come out. Not so sure about that nose. or her mouth. We'll just have to see. All right, so there. Isn't she pretty? Very pretty. The flowers in her hair. She's sitting in a teacup. So cute. All right, and the drills come in the silver train, and here are the colors. They match up pretty well to this canvas, yes. And here's the side view so you can see all the different colors in there. I think that's very, very, very cute. Very cute. Let's see what the next one is. Let's back out just a tad. Now this one looks a little pixelated, and I'll tell you before I even get there, it's because it has guide circles all over it. This one is a 30 by 40. Oh, it comes pre-kitted up in the zip top baggies. I didn't show you the toolkit to the first one, but they're all basically the same toolkits. Nothing special, just a basic kit. And this one, oh, I see what this is. Let's give this, I'm not sure you're going to be able to tell with all the pixels here, with all the guide circles. I'll see if I can zoom in on the thumbnail here. This is a lighthouse in the background, and there's an eagle flying out here. This one is 25 colors. This one is numbers 1 through 8, and then number 9 is 0, and then 10 through 25 are a mixture of symbols, lowercase letters, and uppercase letters. But let's see if we can see that thumbnail. I'm not sure. It's very, very small though. It's a very small thumbnail. But there it is. See the lighthouse and the eagle. And I don't think even coming out. You can't make heads or tails out of that one. But I think it's only because of the guide circles. And then here are your colors. Look at the purples. Oh my goodness. And this will brighten up with the colors. Very pretty colors. That's pretty. And I love lighthouses, guys. But I think, let's see, let's come down. As you can see, all the guide circles on the whole canvas. So, yeah. All right. There's that one. I only have 4 for you today, so. This next one is a 30 by 40 as well. one's cute. Drills come on the silver train. Again, just the typical toolkit. Here it is. So we have Boo, we have Mike, and we have Sully. This one, let's see, it has 22 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 9, and 10 through 22 are uppercase letters in alpha order. Monsters Inc. Are they? No, I think I had it the right way. There's the doorknob. So they're peeking around the door at Boo. I don't know. Well, I think her eyes will come out. The nose, not so much, or the mouth. I'm not sure about that. But I think these two will come out very well. Let's have a look at the drill field. There it is. And we will back out. And we'll have a look at these colors. They come on the silver train. Look at the brightness of the colors. Nice. Very nice, guys. I don't know if you guys like these. I think this is Pixar. I don't, if I remember correctly. And we have one more for you guys. I know this isn't a very long video. Okay, let's come out. This one is, I'm not sure. It's a 30 by 40 as well. Again, your typical toolkit, but this one has a 2-placer, or 3-placer, sorry. And some baggies in it. Oh, and the drills come pre-kitted up in the zip top bags. Let's give this one a roll back. Pretty stiff canvas. And when I'm looking at these, you guys, I mean, I don't remember even ordering them. It's been so long ago. So, I'm gonna roll her sideways as well. Oh, this is cute. Christmas angel. She's a Christmas angel. She has 25 colors. Let's see. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, 7. And then 10 through 25 are uppercase letters in alpha order. Oh, she's so pretty. All the gold in this, the gold colors. This one could be blinged up a little bit if you had some crystals or metallics. Pretty. Placed in some strategic areas across the canvas. Isn't she adorable? Oh my goodness. She's really cute. Really cute. Let's have a look at the drill field. There's a lot of multi-placing you could do on this one. There's the tree. So the drill field is very clear. And let's have a look at the drills. And here they are, blacks, greens. I'm gonna say that's probably, I don't know what the gold color. There's the peachy peach. 'Cause I don't see any yellows. There's some whites. And all the greens. There's some blues in there. Pretty. I think that's very pretty. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others even when they're not kind to you. Give someone a smile or a kind word. You never know what a difference you're going to make for that person that day. God bless each and every one of you. And until next time, I'll see ya. Bye now.